Alright, so if you want to turn your lash strips into cluster extensions, then you can, provided that the bands are thin and pliable. And these are by KissUSA in Shy. Looks so natural. For my personal taste, it's a little bit more dramatic, but you know. Anyway, the bands are, fortunately, they're black. Otherwise, if they're clear like the KissUSA's 03, then you can go over it with the Overnighter by Falscara, which is also by KissUSA. So anyway, I'm cutting these up by 2 clusters. You'll know what I mean when you look at the lashes, and yeah. Actually, the Falscara ones look a lot more natural because it's really tapered at the tips of the lashes, but these are all right. And as you can see here, the bands are thin, but they are a little bit rounded because usually lash extensions, the cluster ones anyway, the bands are flat, but this works, but probably not stackable.